Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a hack to view OnlyFans profiles for free. So as you can see, it says unlocked. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what we have to do is download the OnlyFans mod. So go to zoomods.com, and as you can see, we got the OnlyFans mod right here. I already searched it up. You can do either one, it doesn't matter, but just press on it. It's going to start downloading. This is super cool, guys. Obviously I've already installed it, but I'm going to walk you guys through the process. I think I don't want to show anything private, but I think yeah, I got it right there. As you can see, OnlyFans got a couple of them. Some of them don't work anymore, but anyway, guys, as you can see, it is downloading. So we're just gonna wait for it to download. So let's just give it a second. All right, the mod, as you can see. And anyway, before we get it, it's going to bring us to this page. It says, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required for it to run. If some don't work, try others. So before you actually get it, you have to do like this step right here. And as you can see, there's 4 apps, and we just have to download 2 of them and read the instructions. So that's where some people go wrong, because they'll download 2 of the apps and they won't read them. They're all free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got Family Island where it says complete level 10. So just press tap to install. It will take you to the app store and you just have to download the app. Personally, I did the Family Island one where you have to reach level 10, which is pretty straightforward. So anyway, guys, once you do the process and you like complete it correctly, just go back to the page, and down here it says check and completion, so it will know that you did it, and then you'll get your OnlyFans profile access mod installed. And when you go in the app, all the profiles are just going to say unlocked, so you can like view them without paying, which is super cool, and it's totally undetectable, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in future content. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works.